Welcome to our guide on how to transfer money out of Gohenry, the financial app designed just for kids and teens. Today, we'll walk you through all you need to know about using this service effectively. You may find yourself needing to transfer money out of your Gohenry account for various reasons, like accessing funds for shopping or saving towards a bigger goal. First things first, let's access your Gohenry account. Simply open the app, tap on Login, and enter your credentials. The best method for transferring money out of Gohenry is through a bank transfer. It's direct and usually quick. To link your bank account, head to the settings in your Gohenry account, choose Bank Accounts, and follow the prompts to add your bank details. Once your bank account is linked, initiating a transfer is simple. Just select Transfer Funds, follow the steps, and confirm. Make sure to review any transfer fees and expected timeframes before completing your transaction to avoid any surprises. Besides bank transfers, there are alternative methods like withdrawing cash at ATMs or using your debit card. To ensure a smooth transfer, double-check your entered details, confirm all links are active, and keep track of your transaction. In conclusion, transferring money out of Gohenry is quite simple when you use the right methods. Just follow our steps, and you'll be good to go.